this video, we'll take a closer look at the Subtool palette. It can be found as a sub-palette within the tool menu. Each subtool is a distinct independent object that operates separately and uniquely from the others. They can be regarded as typical projects, each with their own individual polygon counts and gradations. Essentially, these objects do not undergo simultaneous processing because they operate in separate and isolated work areas. We can effortlessly toggle the visibility of our subtools on and off whenever it's particularly important, necessary, or desired. Select one subtool, hold down the Shift key, and then click the visibility icon. All subtools then disappear from the visibility area. Clicking the icon again will quickly reverse this change. Down here, we can also rename our subtools or duplicate, delete, and add more objects to this subtool list. We can easily adjust all subtools at once to either the lowest or highest polygonal level. Then we can rearrange our subtools as needed. We also have the option to merge each individual subtool into a single unified subtool. Let's handle this task quickly in the Merge section. Here, we can effortlessly combine all objects located below the selected one or all currently visible ones. Combined subtools can be easily and quickly separated again in the Split section whenever it's needed. But let's focus on the combined subtools for now. We have the option to assign a new, shared object mesh to them. We handle this in the Remesh section. First, we adjust the object mesh resolution. And then, by clicking Remesh All, a new subtool with an updated mesh is generated. We also have the option to project our objects onto the surfaces of other related objects. Let's go through an example. Here we have a sphere and a cube. Our goal is to make the cube conform to the shape of the sphere using another object mesh. To achieve this, we navigate to the Project section, and on the right, we carefully adjust the projection settings as needed. Then we click on the Project All button. And so we carefully adapted our cube to the shape of the sphere. All visible objects in the scene will be considered in this process. Finally, we have the Extract menu. In this section, we can extract masked areas and seamlessly add them as distinct subtools for processing. For example, we apply a mask to the surface of our model. Next, we click the Extract button, and then use the slider to adjust the depth as required. Then confirm once more at the bottom. A brand new subtool has been created from our mask, which is a wonderfully useful and efficient feature. The keyboard shortcut for selecting individual subtools is the N key. To export the subtools, each one must be exported manually. With a large number of subtools, this can quickly become quite time-consuming. In the next video, we'll explore how to efficiently accelerate several specific processes using the Subtool Master plugin.